Dear kids, yesterday we had completed up to rapid fire 3. Today we will do rapid fire 4. Okay, and this rapid fire 4 is on page number 52. So now let us start. Tick the correct option. Three options are there in each of these MCQs. You have to choose the correct one and then you have to put a tick mark in front of the correct answer. First is, which of these is a hot ball of gases? It means हॉट बॉल है जो है गरम बॉल है किसकी जो गैसेस से बनी हुई है. थ्री ऑप्शंस आर हियर: सन, मून, क्लाउड्स. So our answer is sun. Sun gives us heat and light, na? So it is a hot ball of gases, we can say. So this is the correct answer. So you will put a tick mark in front of sun. Second is there, which planet is called the blue planet? Here three options are there: Earth, Mercury, Venus. You know that you don't know, I will tell you that Earth is called blue planet. Do you know why Earth is called blue planet? Because we can say that 75% or 3/4 of our Earth is covered with water, and that water is there in the sea, ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. Okay, so our Earth is called blue planet क्योंकि वो 75% water से covered है. That's why Earth is known as blue planet. So we will put a tick mark in front of the Earth. Okay. Third, which sense organ helps us to smell? Dear kids, you know that there are 5 sense organs. Okay, and every sense organ has the work to do. Separate work they are doing. Here three options are here: eyes, ears, nose. So we smell with the help of our nose. So nose is our correct answer. We will put a tick mark in front of nose. With the help of eyes we can see. With the help of ears we can listen. Clear? Now let us move ahead. Which of these is a part of computer? You have studied the parts of computer in your computer class. Let us read the options here: monitor, mouse, both. Monitor is a part of computer, that is the screen of the computer. Mouse, with the help of mouse you can give the command. Okay, so these two are the parts of a computer. Both means ये दोनों, first and second. So our correct answer is both are the part of computer, monitor as well as the mouse. Fifth, which of these is an eco-friendly mode of transport? Eco-friendly mode of transport means that is it doesn't create the pollution. Okay, cycle, scooter, bus. As you know that scooter release smoke, है ना? जब फ्यूल जो है इंजन में बर्न होता है तो इट रिलीज स्मोक. In case of vehicles like scooter, bus also. But in case of cycle, जब आप उसको राइड करते हो, it doesn't cause pollution. It does not release the smoke. Okay, so it is a eco-friendly means of transport. Sixth, which of these is an indoor game? Indoor, in means andar. inside the door, we can say. Okay, here 3 options are here: football, golf and ludo. Football and golf are played in a ground, but ludo we can play inside the room, inside our house, or in your sports room you can able to play. So ludo is indoor game, so we will put a tick mark in front of ludo. 7th is there: who prepares delicious food? Delicious means tasty food. 3 options are here, my dear kids. Barber. Barber means the person who cuts our hair. Okay, that is who that person is known as barber. Chef. Chef, everybody knows, it cooks delicious food. Politicians means the leaders, we can say. So who prepares delicious food? That is, the answer is chef. So you will put a tick mark in front of chef. Now 8th bit. Now this is the 8th bit. What will come next? Here you can see the number pattern. You have studied this in your maths class also. So 3 is there, 6 is there, 9 is there. So what is the next number? So dear kids, you can first observe the pattern, number pattern. That is, you can say this is the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So what will come, my dear kids? Here? Yes, you all are right. Here 12 will come.